Hi guys, and this is our new video about the Snapchat app. Right now I will show you how to record and use Snap without holding on the button. So let's check the result in settings. It's very simple to customize. We just need to pick on the settings app on our iPhones. Let's scroll a little bit at the appearance menu and go to the accessibility option. Later we need to use touch and the first option, assistive touch. Later let's create a new gesture. Guys, right now let's hold on the free space on our screen. Remember that you need to hold on this space as long as you want to create a snap. So for example 5 or 6 seconds. Okay, let's free and stop and save. Okay, let's set the name, for example the Snapchat, and pick on the save. Don't forget to activate the first assistive touch option because we need to use this gesture. As you can see, we have the new appeared dot on the screen and let's use it right now. So let's open our Snapchat, our default screen. We don't need to pick on the shooter button, but let's tap on this appeared dot and go to custom. Here we have our Snapchat option. Let's pick on it one time. We have the new appeared dot, the second one, and let's okay, and let's locate it on the shooter button. Amazing. So we have our new snap, and as you can check, this dot helped us to create a new one because it like a long button press. To deactivate it, we just need to pick on our gesture dot again, and this option is deactivated. Okay, so let's locate this dot here and let's just publish our newly created snap to our story on Snapchat. Okay, so it's added. Let's check the result. I need to go to my account, and this is my new created story. Guys, I hope that this option is definitely useful, and right now you know how to use this amazing gesture feature. If you want to deactivate this option and delete this Snapchat custom gesture, you just need to swipe it to the left side to delete and later deactivate this assistive touch feature after tapping on the dot on the toggle at the top of the screen. So guys, don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool tricks about the Snapchat app and other programs. So goodbye guys, good luck!